Cats and their love for yarn, knitting with kitties. Cats have always had an inexplicable fascination with yarn. It seems that whenever a ball of yarn is in sight, a kitty is sure to follow. But what is it about this luscious string that drives our feline friends wild? And how can we incorporate their love for yarn into our knitting projects without turning everything into a tangled mess? For centuries, cats and yarn have been intrinsically linked. Whether it's the texture, the movement, or simply the bright colors, cats are drawn to this craft supplied like moths to a flame. As soon as we unravel a ball of yarn, our cats come running, ready to pounce, bat, and chase after it. It's almost as if they view it as their own personal toy. The love affair is even more pronounced, and the sudden movements can be perceived as a threat. This fear often triggers their fight-or-flight response, causing them to flee the scene. 2. Protective instincts. Another reason for a cat's aversion to vacuum cleaners could be their protective instincts. Cats are territorial animals, and when a vacuum cleaner invades their space, they might feel the need to protect it. As strange as it may sound, cats might think of the vacuum cleaner as a predator, and their natural instincts kick in. They may try to defend their territory by hissing, growling, or even attacking the vacuum cleaner. 3. Electromagnetic fields. Some experts believe that cats' sensitivity to electromagnetic fields might contribute to their fear of vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaners generate electromagnetic fields while in use, which can affect cats with a higher sensitivity to such fields. This sensitivity can cause discomfort and anxiety, leading to their frantic efforts to escape the vacuum's presence. 4. Noise sensitivity. Cats have a heightened sense of hearing compared to humans, and vacuum cleaners can produce incredibly loud noises. This noise sensitivity can make the vacuum seem even more overwhelming for cats. It is not uncommon for cats to run and hide in response to the loud noise produced by the vacuum cleaner. The noise can be highly stressful for them and cause them to seek refuge in a quieter and more secure area. 5. Unfamiliarity. Not only do vacuum cleaners produce noise, but they also create unfamiliar sounds and movements. Cats are creatures of habit and tend to feel comfortable in familiar environments. The unusual sounds and movements of a vacuum cleaner can disrupt their sense of familiarity, triggering their instinct to escape. Cats prefer routines and predictability, so any sudden and unfamiliar changes can be unsettling for them. 6. Past traumatic experiences. Like humans, cats can also develop phobias based on past traumatic experiences. If a cat had a negative encounter with a vacuum cleaner in the past, it might associate the appliance with fear and anxiety. This conditioned response can lead to an instinctual reaction to flee or hide whenever a vacuum cleaner is present. Conclusion. While the sight of a cat making a quick escape at the sound of a vacuum cleaner may be amusing, it is important to recognize and understand the reasons behind their reaction. Fear, protective instincts, electromagnetic fields, noise sensitivity, unfamiliarity, and past traumatic experiences can all contribute to a cat's aversion to vacuum cleaners. As responsible pet owners, it is essential to provide a safe and secure environment for our feline friends, making sure to keep them away from the stress and anxiety caused by household appliances like vacuum cleaners.